Well, we made it to Friday already. That brings a sigh of relief.
I think we've definitely got a little more pep in our step this morning. Even more relief, though, knowing you can score some freebies happening this weekend. So here's our smart shopper, Chelsea Davis.
What better way to start Freebie Friday than with free pizza?
From Blaze Pizza!
So come on out here today between 11 a.m. and 10 p.m. and you're going to get a free build your own.
Come on over to Blaze, grab your phone, go like us on Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and get yourself a free Blaze Pizza.
And when you come in 4:30 to 10, they're going to have a DJ here to keep the energy high. Speaking of high energy, your kiddos are going to love this one. The Minions from Despicable Me 3 have a brand new traveling tattoo parlor coming to Tempe Marketplace. Friday through Sunday, you can get your very own holographic tattoo. Don't worry, Mom and Dad, it isn't permanent. Full disclosure, the Minions are not going to be there, but after you get your tattoo, you can pose in front of a backdrop for photo ops. Plus, it'll be like you're carrying them with you everywhere you go. Literally. There are more freebies, and we put them online for you, abc15.com/smartshopper.
All right, I love some freebies. I wish